guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this lovely passion twist look on my daughter, which she loved. I loved it, she loved it. It was just a beautiful hairstyle. So basically we're going to hop right into it. The doors open. Okay, so the products I had to use for this style was the Free Twist Bohemian curly hair. You're also gonna need a jam, rubber band, an oil for the scalp, crochet needle, scissor, and a comb or a brush to brush out their hair. Alright, so first things first, you want to moisturize your hair. I use Carol's Daughter's Almond Milk Spray. It's a leave-in conditioner, and I just love this product. The smell, the overall, I just love this product. So you spray that all over her head, and you're going to comb out her hair. Her hair has been in a ponytail. I let her hair breathe for a week. She had in braids before this hairstyle, and I washed it, and then I let her hair just be out for a whole week just to breathe before I put in the other protective hairstyle. So now what I'm doing is parting the my first couple of parts. That's me fidgeting with my camera. I thought you guys needed a better view, so I moved my camera closer. So you just part it, and you're going to part it into the size sections that you want. I did a medium size. I didn't want to do it too small because she does not like to sit that long to get hair done. So now you're going to take a little dime size into your finger, and you're going to spread it on the root of your part just to gather all that extra flyaways and stuff like that. And after that, you're going to take your rubber band, and you're going to wrap that around that part. You're not going to put it too tight because once again you are crocheting it through. So I do not put my rubber band tight. You're going to see that how loose it starts off at. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. So you see, that's how loose you want it. And then you're just going to take your Free Twist Braiding Bohemian hair. She got the color, it was like burgundy. I forgot the number on there, but I'm pretty sure you guys will see it. But it's a burgundy color. That's the color she wanted. So I cut it in half because we're doing the short passion twist. If you wanted the long one, you don't have to cut it, but the long one you would have to use 6 packs instead of 3. I used two packs, and I used a little bit of the third one. But if, like I said, if you want the long passion twist, you will use 6. You would need at least 6 packs. So then now you just run your fingers through it to open up the curls a little bit. I put 3 of them together. I want to say I took 3 individual curls and I put them together to make it the thickness that I want. So over here you just feed the crochet needle through there. You put it through 1 loop, and that is it. You just need 1 loop, and you just tighten the rubber band a little bit, not too tight. You don't want to be like pulling the hair out of her scalp, just a little, just a little snug, I want to say. And then you just start twisting it and just keep going. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my cherry.
All right, so now we have about like 8 pieces left that I went and sectioned off those 8 pieces. This is taking forever, but we're getting through it.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me. She said.
All right, so we're down to the last two sections. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how to do it again. You're gonna feed your crochet needle through. That's the 3 pieces of hair I comb through with my fingers. You take one loop and then you feed it through, and then you pull that, and then you go back and pull the hair just a little bit, not too tight, a little snug, and then you split those into 2 pieces. You take your jam, you put a little bit in one side of your hands, and then you twist. And then you just keep taking some jam, putting it in your hand, twist a little bit, take some more. As you feel it getting a little dry, you start just taking more jam. The jam helps hold the passion twist. It helps hold the twist, and it helps like the frizziness of the hair, smooth it out so you don't have no frizzy hair sticking out, and it holds that together.
Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
So there you guys go. That is the end result, which she loved. My daughter is into basketball, so this is a good protective hairstyle, especially for girls that are athletic. It's easy to go, easy to put up. It's lightweight, it is not heavy at all. That's how it looks in a ponytail. So when she has basketball like she did today, she just puts it in a ponytail and she's good to go. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Everything will be listed in the inbox below. And I will see you guys next week with my other video. Bye.